Hi folks, so today we're going to trim the back of this hedge because it is a disaster. I already was working on it, but my trimmer died, petrol one, so I ordered a battery one to give it a go. So it goes right the way back there, it's gone wild. Strip it all back, and then once I have it trimmed later on in the year, I'll get the chainsaw and cut a lot of this down, just hack it all away somehow, because I cleaned the field up beside me, so it looks good. So I might take this opportunity and just get rid of it all, or at least cut it back to a point where it's manageable, because every year it's the same crack. I have to go in here and rip away at it. I do see some raspberries, so I might pick some of them. Eugenia, if I can get at them, I'd be doing well. I don't know if you can see them here, hold on. Also, walking through here is a death trap. You don't know what you're stepping on or anything. Yeah, you can see the raspberries. Anyway, I'll make my way through this here and I'll show you again. But fucking hell, something's jumped out there. Let's show you the tool. I can get back out. The tool I've got is this trimmer here. The Ryobi cordless pole hedge trimmer. I already have it open, I'll show it to you now. But there's a few specs for you. It's a decent joke now. So I'm building up my Ryobi tools, but this here's the trimmer. Got a battery on it, doesn't come with a battery, and I think it's a 40 something length, I can't remember, it's on the box anyway, but it's a decent unit, it'll cut the hedge fine, so we'll give it a go. How's it going again? So I cleared a pathway down to pick some berries. Sure, we might as well make the most of it, won't we? Look at them. They're good to eat now. So, put Ronaldinho in the bush. Let's try one of these. Looks yummy. A little bit bitter, but we'll pick a few and go from there. You've been eating. Yeah, this may take a while. But enough to pick on for tonight and a little snack. Like, as much as I hate these yolks, they do produce some fruit, so fruit's always good. But these grow like mad. Absolutely mad. Like this growing through the trees and everything. So not ideal. But yeah, just keep picking away at some good ones here. Might need my clippers and hack away so I can get the better ones. I think I'll do that. Anyway, more there. There's plenty up top. So I picked a few anyway, and there's our cup. Not much, but there's something to nibble on tonight. Anyway, back to trimming. Right, so we made a bit of progress on about 2.5 bars on that 5 amp hour battery. So I'm happy enough with that. So we're just walking down the tunnel now. I'll show you a bit of it. The death trap in here though, my god. Times I nearly fell out. But whoa, like there. But I went as far as there at the end. See where the bushy part is? That's as far as I got. So it does a good job, like. You know, for battery power thing, I wasn't expecting much out of it, but you know, maybe just to keep the hedges topped off. But no, it ripped through a lot of this thick stuff. Like, look at all that. Well, that's taking off stuff. So I don't know, some bits an inch thick, you know, so you cut through it. Now that stuff is a bit light, you know, it's you can break out with your hand easily, but some thicker stuff it'd struggle with now, you know. Like see bits of that there, it'd struggle to get like this off. But you can see all it's knocked down. I'm quite impressed now. So yeah, that's the update on the ditch anyway. A couple more berries. Yeah. You. Yeah, I don't want you. Ow. A couple of berries. Nom nom. Oh god, they're bitter. So I did bring another batch of stuff out, but one, I haven't energy, and two, it's getting late. This evening time I'm doing this.
The next day.
Right, update. Good bit done there. Got all the way down and around the corner here, but my arms are killing me, so we'll take a break. Right, you can see how bad this is. Them briars, absolute nightmare. But I got down to here, and I just have to go as far as that kind of bushy tree is sticking out. So not too much left to do, but battery low, so I might just charge it up and come at it again tomorrow. But happy to get that amount done. Like it's torture in here, absolute torture, because you don't know where you're stepping. Could be going through a hole, or it could be on solid ground, and that's just such a pain to do. My plan is I'm gonna get a digger and just rip all this out, because I'm fed up with it. Rip it all out, go back to basics. Hopefully just get soil without, because there is a good, you know, 1.5 to 2 meter, depending where you are, drop. And you know, if I could just tear away at some of that, make it all nice, hopefully that will get rid of a lot of this, and less hassle for me over the years, because I ain't getting any younger, I'll tell you that. So we'll park it there for now and leave it at that. By the way, I don't know if you've seen me, it's not mine, but It's the farmer's digger. Pretty cool. Look at that. Komatsu. Love it. I'd love a go with that. That'd be so much fun. That, and he has a he's another digger somewhere. I don't know. Can't see it though. But anyway, it's pretty nice. And there we have it, folks. I got all the way through, and that's where we ended up the last time. So let's trim this back a little, and that's me done. Did well, little Ryobi. Did well. Thanks for watching.